Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Charge the noise watch to at least 50% so it won't fail mid-setup, and install the companion app on your phone. Once done, turn on Bluetooth on your phone and power the watch by holding the main button for 3-5 seconds. You'll see the boot logo. Make sure to allow any OS permissions the app requests so pairing proceeds smoothly, because missing permissions often block discovery and notifications during later steps. Next, pair the watch in the app. Open the companion app and choose Add Device, then select your noise model. The app scans for nearby devices. When you see the watch name, confirm the pairing code displayed on both devices and accept Bluetooth and location prompts. These let the app maintain a stable connection. After pairing, sync time and choose watch face and notification settings. Set health tracking options now so step counts, heart rate, and do not disturb behave as you expect. Finish by checking for a firmware update in the app and applying it. Updates fix bugs and add features, so install now and then restart both phone and watch. Test incoming calls, notification delivery, alarms, and the heart rate sensor to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Reboot the phone and watch first. If pairing still fails, perform a factory reset on the watch and repeat the pairing sequence, because a fresh start clears most stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.